MJ. So, what are we going to do today?
Learn about Noteblocks and how to use them.
And what are note blocks? Like music notes?
Yeah, but they're just blocks.
Cool.
Let's go over here. So, what we'll need is redstone, a redstone torch, stone, glass, grass block, sand, oak planks, and note block. So, let's start with this part first. We're going to put a note block here and a note block there. We're going to get our redstone and put them on the ground. Put a redstone torch here, right? Set. Look. It's facing that way. So we'll play that note. And look. So, you like that?
Cool.
Now we're gonna do this. It's real fun for people that play Minecraft a lot.
So, what are you putting down? The first thing was stone, then glass.
And grass block,
Mm-hmm.
and sand,
Okay.
and oak planks. Now we're gonna get our note block. This works. We're gonna use note blocks down. Here we are. We gotta do note blocks down. Stone looks like the stone was down like this. The glass sounds like this. And the grass sounds like this. The sand sounds like that. And the open place sound like that. Same as the grass. This is my little blueprint mate. Now I'm gonna go over here. Now I'm gonna make a booth. Now we're gonna play music with it.
Nice. Cool.
And done. Bye everybody.
Bye.
Bye.